Here are 11 airport hacks that will save you both time and hassle. Airports can be stressful, long lines, expensive food, and endless waiting. But what if I told you there are a few secret hacks that can save you hours of stress and make your journey smooth like a pro traveler? Today, I'm sharing 11 genius airport hacks that will change the way you fly forever. 1. Master the travel apps. Don't just download your airline's app. Use it smartly. From mobile boarding passes to live updates about delays, gate changes, and even baggage tracking, everything is at your fingertips. And if you want to take it up a notch, apps like FlightAware or Lounge Buddy will make you feel like an insider. To skip the check-in drama. Why waste time at check-in counters? If you don't have checked baggage, just check in online and walk straight to security. Print at home or just flash the mobile pass, easy and stress-free. 3. Dress like a security ninja. Belts, chunky jewelry, and complicated shoes. Big mistake. Slip-on sneakers, comfy layers, and minimal metal will make you breeze through security like a pro. Beat the airport prices. Water at airports can cost a fortune. Carry an empty bottle in your bag and refill it after security. Most airports now have free refill stations, saving money and the planet at the same time. 5. Fast-track programs. If you fly often, TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, or Registered Traveler is a game changer. Imagine skipping long lines and feeling like a VIP every single time you travel. 6. Fragile equals faster bags. Here's a sneaky trick. Label your luggage as fragile. Not only is it handled with extra care, but your bag is usually loaded last and comes out first at baggage claim. 7. Fly at weird hours. Morning or late night flights are a blessing. Shorter lines, quieter lounges, and fewer delays. Plus, you get to avoid the airport chaos during peak hours. 8. Screenshot everything. No Wi-Fi, no problem. Screenshot your boarding pass, gate details, or hotel info. Trust me, this tiny step will save you big headaches. 9. Choose the left lane. Most people follow the crowd to the right at security. Head left instead. It's usually faster, and you'll shave precious minutes off your wait time. 10. Security stash pouch. Instead of juggling coins, keys, and gadgets at security, keep a small pouch for all your metal items. Just pull it out in one go, and you're done. Smooth and simple. 11. Outsmart baggage claim. Everyone crowds the same spot at the carousel. Step a little further down the belt, and you'll grab your bag faster without getting elbowed in the process. And there you have it, to 11 airport hacks that will save you hours of stress and make you travel like a pro. Which one are you going to try on your next trip? Drop it in the comments, and if this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more smart travel tips.